Megan Millage. It was just under a year ago that former U.S. Senate candidate Annette Bosworth was arrested for election law violations. Last night, a jury in Pierre found her guilty of all 12 charges against her. After her arrest, Bosworth accused Attorney General Marty Jackley of prosecuting her for political and personal reasons. KDLT's Rachel Skida spoke with Jackley today about the jury's decision. She joins us now with more. Rachel?
Megan, Annette Bosworth made headlines throughout her campaign for U.S. Senate, but Jackley says any tactics she used or statements she made had no effect on this case or the jury's decision.
We find the defendant guilty.
I think the jury sent a message in South Dakota that our elections are sacred and that the election process is important.
Former U.S. Senate candidate Annette Bosworth has been convicted of 6 counts each of perjury and filing false documents. During her trial, Bosworth admitted to signing nominating petitions while she was out of the country, but her defense argued she was given bad legal advice. Bosworth has said that Attorney General Marty Jackley was prosecuting her for revenge, but Jackley says none of those comments played a role in this case.
I know that there were a lot of campaign tactics put in place. We pretty much ignored those matters, and we've really stuck to our job.
Jackley says it was nothing more than evidence that led to Bosworth's arrest in June of 2014 and ultimately her conviction.
We received a complaint from the Secretary of State's office. It went through a grand jury process. The court has overseen all the proceedings, and now a South Dakota jury has spoken.
Each count against Bosworth carries a maximum penalty of 2 years in prison for a combined total of 24 years, but Jackley says that sentence is unlikely.
Under South Dakota law, a nonviolent crime such as this has a presumption of no or very limited actual jail time.
Bosworth's attorney says they plan to appeal her conviction. Her sentencing is scheduled for July 1st.